Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Glass Jar Blender is probably one of the most versatile and essential appliances in any modern kitchen, capable of transforming whole ingredients into smooth, delicious concoctions with unparalleled ease and efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for health-conscious individuals and culinary enthusiasts alike who seek to elevate their everyday meals and beverages. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender 58148AG. Experience powerful blending with 700 watts of peak power and durable stainless steel blades. It provides all the strength you need for creating delicious smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen beverages. Achieve incredibly smooth results thanks to our patented wave action system. Ingredients are consistently drawn into the blades, ensuring even the toughest foods are crushed effortlessly. Pour your creations directly from the blender without any mess. The convenient spout ensures a clean and drip-free serving experience every time. Cleanup is a breeze with this blender. The 40 ounces glass jar, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe for your convenience. Unlock maximum versatility with 12 distinct blending functions. Easily control various settings on the intuitive panel to blend, crush ice, puree, and more. What we like? This blender offers robust power for smoothies and frozen drinks. Its wave action system ensures ultra-smooth results by continuously circulating ingredients. If you're looking for a reliable blender that makes serving easy and cleanup a breeze, this is a great choice. What people say. The glass jar is durable and doesn't retain odors. Powerful motor crushes ice and frozen fruits with ease. Multiple speed settings offer versatility for different blending tasks. Number 4. Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender. Introducing the Oster Pro 1200, your ultimate kitchen companion. Experience effortless blending with its smart settings and 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed options for your favorite creations. Our innovative dual-direction blade technology ensures extra blending power. It chops and grinds with precision, thanks to the extra-wide 3.5-inch blade system that guides ingredients for faster, smoother results. With 1,200 power watts and 900 watts of ice crushing power, this blender handles anything you throw at it. From frozen fruits to tough ice, it delivers perfectly blended consistency every time. The 6-cup Boroplast glass jar is dishwasher safe and withstands thermal shock. Enjoy easy cleanup and long-lasting durability with its robust construction. Take control with the pulse feature for added precision. Its 50% larger blade system, combined with patented dual-direction technology, blends seamlessly in both forward and reverse motions. Rest assured with the Oster 10-year Duralast all-metal drive limited warranty. This blender is built for lasting durability, providing peace of mind for years to come. It also includes an extra-large 24-ounce smoothie cup, perfect for creating and taking your favorite blended drinks with you wherever you go. What we like? Experience exceptional blending with its powerful 1200 watts and innovative dual-direction blade technology for precise chopping and grinding. If you need a blender that can handle tough ingredients and also offers the convenience of a to-go cup for your busy lifestyle, this is the one for you. What people say. The glass jar is a great feature, easy to clean and doesn't retain odors. Powerful motor that crushes ice with ease, perfect for smoothies and frozen drinks. Multiple speed settings and a pulse function offer great control for different blending needs. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender 54221. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender, designed for exceptional performance and durability. It's built to last, ensuring you can create your favorite drinks for years to come. With 14 different functions, this blender handles everything from silky smooth smoothies to chunky salsas. Its intuitive controls make selecting the perfect setting effortless. Experience ultra-smooth results thanks to our patented wave action system. Ingredients are continuously pulled into the blades, ensuring thorough crushing and consistent blending every time. Equipped with powerful ice saber blades and 700 watts of peak power, it crushes ice and frozen ingredients with ease. Enjoy perfectly blended icy drinks and milkshakes. Cleanup is a breeze with this blender. The glass jar, lid, blades, and collar are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after blending. This blender is built for long-lasting performance, with a motor life tested for thousands of drinks. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This blender is built for longevity, with a motor life tested for thousands of frozen drinks and 14 versatile functions. If you value durability and a wide range of blending options for everything from smoothies to salsas, this blender is designed to last and perform. What people say. This blender is powerful and crushes ice with ease. The glass jar is durable and doesn't retain odors. Multiple speed settings allow for precise blending. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 10-Speed Blender BL 2010 BG. Discover the perfect consistency for all your favorite recipes. With multiple speed settings and a pulse function, you can effortlessly create smoothies, soups, and more. Experience superior blending with our innovative 4-point fusion blade. Its multi-level design ensures maximum efficiency and power for smoother results. Cleaning up is a breeze. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, making your juicing and blending experience even more convenient. Enjoy robust performance with 550 watts of peak power. This machine is built to handle all your blending needs with ease. We've made operation simple. A helpful troubleshooting guide is included to quickly resolve any common issues, ensuring you always get smooth results. What we like. Achieve perfect consistency with 12 speed settings and a powerful 4-point fusion blade for efficient blending. If you appreciate versatility in your blending tasks and a user-friendly design with easy troubleshooting, this blender will help you create smooth results every time. What people say. The blender has a powerful motor that crushes ice with ease. The glass jar is durable and doesn't retain odors. Multiple speed settings allow for precise control over blending consistency. Number 1. Oster 6-Cup Glass Blender Jar Refresher Kit. Is your old blender jar worn out or do you need an extra for entertaining? This kit provides the essential replacement parts to get you back to blending in no time. This set includes everything you need: a durable 6-cup glass jar, a secure lid, and a convenient filler cap. The jar is made from scratch-resistant Boraclas glass, tested for thermal shock resistance, and is completely dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The removable filler cap makes adding ingredients simple and allows for precise measuring. It's designed to fit most Oster blender models, ensuring a seamless replacement for many of their popular series. Why buy a whole new blender when you can just replace the jar, lid, and cap? This kit offers great value and refreshes your appliance quickly. What we like. This is a great value option if you need to refresh your existing blender. If you have a compatible Oster model and are looking to replace a worn-out jar or need an extra for entertaining, this durable and dishwasher-safe glass jar kit is the perfect solution. What people say. The blender has a powerful motor that crushes ice easily. The glass jar is durable and doesn't retain odors. Multiple speed settings allow for precise blending control. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.